Okay, here's the device with a long handle. The laminate goes in here, and there's a measure thing there that you can measure how long. I'm just going to slide this with my foot. You make sure it's lined up right there, right there. Then you stand on it with your foot here, and then you just press this handle back. I need a second hand. That. And there it is. Another perfect cut. A little bit yucky on the underneath, but I think I wasn't doing it fast enough because I was doing it with one hand.